All right. So let's talk about the origins of humans.
We gotta understand everybody on the planet Earth is not a human being. You know what I'm saying? And this is gonna hurt some people's feelings, but it's not my fault. You know, be mad at your science teacher. Don't be mad at me. Everybody has their own creators. Everybody has their own, you know, genetic origins. And so when it comes to, I gotta start with black people first because we was here first. When it comes to black people, we are the only people on the planet Earth who genetically are still intact completely. We don't have any animal or any genetically engineered based DNA. We can't be genetically engineered because our DNA is protected by a barrier of melanin that can't be penetrated. And then on top of that, our ancestors, whether you talk about the black original Indians, because the Indians were black, whether you go to the Egyptians, whether you go to the extension of the Egyptian Empire in Japan and Naga Kushites, no matter where you go on the planet Earth, our ancestors told us that we came from the stars, specific star constellations, and that we seeded the four corners of the planet Earth. So our ancestors' stories match with our genetic lineage, because if you look inside of black people's DNA, specifically black women, they have what is called ghost DNA. And if you study this ghost DNA, they say that black women have an entire human species in their DNA that is of another race, but they say that it's extinct. But even though they say it's extinct, they've never found any anthropological remains. So those of you don't know what anthropology is, it's like finding bones and skeletons. And so black women specifically have DNA, have a genetic signature in their DNA that literally denotes the existence of an entire race of people that nobody has ever met. And so not only do we have that, we have 147 alien genes, which are literally called alien genes by science. And 98% of our DNA, we don't even use it. Science calls it junk DNA. And the reason they call it junk DNA is because either they can't interpret it or they don't want to tell us what it really does. And so black people for sure not only have natural biologically developed systems along with the planet Earth, we have extraterrestrial DNA. Now, the reason that that's important is because when you come to every other race of people, okay, whether you go to white, Asian, Arab, Chinese, they've only been here for about 6,400 years. All of them have animal DNA. And we know that humans and animals cannot procreate. And if you look up molecular biology and evolution, they state that if you are not black, or if you are not a descendant of that mitochondrial Eve gene, aka you are not a descendant of an African black woman, you are not a human being. You are a Neanderthal. Okay, let's be clear on that. And a Neanderthal is a half human, half monkey. And so when you study the DNA of, let's just say, Caucasians, a caucus is a dead corpse, and an Asian is a phenotype, like a mongoloid. So a Caucasian is a genetically dead Asian. Let's be clear on that. And Caucasians share 98% of their DNA with chimpanzees. They share 84% with canines, 14% with fruit flies, 87% with chickens. And the reason I'm bringing this up is because when they speak on the evolution theory, they only talk about the monkey evolving. Now, even though we know that's a lie, if we was to take the evolution theory to be true, how the hell did white people get chicken DNA, fruit fly DNA, and dog DNA from a monkey? You can't explain that.